Go on then. So we're still in Birmingham. This is a massive food scene down here, honestly. So we're just off Ladypool Road. We've come to Dino Grill. And we get in here and see what these are all about. So we've gone for the Dino box. So in here you get chicken tikka, lamb chops, chili cheese bites, spicy chicken balls, chips, spicy doner and normal doner. Get the old trusty fork out and just get in. Straight in with chicken tikka first. Nice charring on it. The chicken's soft. That tikka flavour comes through with nice charred effect taste. Beautiful. Nice spicy bites. Yeah. They're a winner. Johnny said they were spicy, and I don't think they are. Chili cheese bites. Yeah, man. Your standard chili cheese bites with doner meat. Doner meat's good. It's not the cheap stuff you can usually get. It's proper lammy. Stir fried doner. Again, good flavours in that stir fry. I advise getting that stir fried doner. Chips are thin. The fries crispy, slightly fluffy, really good. Again with these lamb chops. Everyone knows I'm a lamb chop man. Just tears off the bone so nice. Lovely charred effect. They haven't tried overdoing this box, which is really good. Sometimes people with big boxes could overdo it with sauce or different items, but these guys aren't. They've kept it nice, kept it simple, and they've done well. Solid 9 out of 10. Right, come and share. Where's next?
Ta-da.